Oh, here we have Friday night. Oh, you have beef and noodles, homemade noodles. Like you make these noodles scratch, and then the beef has been slow cooked. Look at that pepperoni in there, slow cooked all day long in a crock pot. And then you're thinking to yourself, couldn't there be anything better than having Parmesan cheese on top? Oh, I want everybody to say, this is going in my belly. I love it. So good. You have to make this in the crock pot. Homemade noodles, pepperoncinis. They're around there somewhere. I seen it. It's right there. In my belly. Put it in there. Base.